Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, looking forward to wedding season, and so often there are so many corsages to be done, so many flowers to wear. It's easy if you plan ahead and do it production line style. Get everything done weeks in advance because it's permanent, it's not fresh. You can add fresh flowers later, but for the production line, get everything set. Make all your bows, get your bands, choose leaves that are artificial. So I've got a little bit of foliage. And then maybe some accent filler. Gold is so on trend right now. So pulling off bits. You can cut them down just a bit in size. Then as you're working, actually lay out entire piles. So all of this is one. And do however many you need. If you need 20, lay out 20 piles. Then, once you have everything set, it's easy to go back using your Oasis Foil adhesive. Little glue on the band, place on the bow. Little glue on the leaves, tuck them in. When you're done, you've got it all set. You don't have to do this at the last minute. You can do this just as soon as you've been paid for the wedding. Then, to store them, I lay them all in one box so that you know where they are. You can label them, which wedding it's going to, have all the labels set, put this away. Then, as the wedding gets closer, maybe the day before or 2 days before, go back and glue in your fresh flowers. Put it in the cooler. This becomes a hydration chamber, and you're ready to deliver on the day. Now you know how the pros do it.